Welcome back. Health topic number 2 is hydration and why it is so important. Children's bodies are not as efficient at cooling down as adults, which makes them more prone to dehydration. Their risk of dehydration also increases as temperatures rise. Proper hydration is key to helping your child avoid heat-related illness and health complications. Drinking enough water each day is crucial for many reasons. To regulate body temperature, keep joints lubricated, prevent infections, deliver nutrients to cells, and keep organs functioning properly. Being well hydrated also improves sleep, quality, cognition, and mood. Water aids in digestion, helps prevent constipation, and is vital for proper blood circulation. That's why it's so important for you to be drinking water all day, whether you're at home or at school. Keep drinking water, and I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.